Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Wi-Fi that disappeared from your Dell laptop for Windows 10 or 11. Let's begin. First, go to your Windows Start menu over here, and I want you to carefully look for services. You can type services in your keyboard, hit enter, or click on it directly. So you can maximize this. Now, I want you to click on anywhere over here, type W, and find WLAN autoconfig. Let me show you this one. Okay. WLAN autoconfig. Right click on it. Go to properties. Now over here, be careful. Make sure to select startup type to automatic. Okay, this one. And if the service status is not running, like mine, it's showing stop, just press start and then click on apply and then OK. Once done, you can now close everything, restart your laptop or PC, and once you're back on your screen, everything should now be fixed. For most users, this work for them. However, if not, you can go to your Windows Start menu, right click Device Manager, and over here, click or select Network Adapters, right? Now, I want you to carefully find your Wi-Fi device or Wi-Fi adapter or driver. So how to tell? It should say Wi-Fi. So I don't have mine here currently installed. Let's just say this is my Wi-Fi, okay? It could be like something and then Wi-Fi or something in parentheses. Just right click and then disable device. Confirm. Once done, do the same thing, but this time enable device. Now try and see if that works. However, if not, what you can do is go back here, right click, and this time uninstall the device. Then go ahead, proceed to confirm such action, close everything, restart your PC or laptop. Once you're back on your screen, check if your Wi-Fi is now visible in your device. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.